Okay, time to have a little fun. We're gonna add some motion to our cars right now. So here I'm down the timeline. I'm gonna pull my playhead, and we have the cars all sized up to where we want them. Looks like the orange card might be sneaking out a little bit, but I'm gonna take the playhead, just put it up here in the front. Over here again, we have our layers. This is where we manage our timeline. I'm gonna come over here, okay, and start taking a look at different things here. Here is library, inspector, same thing. Click that, release it. This is my project. We're managing layers here. I'm going to click on inspector. See how this disappears? And if I want the behaviors, this is what I want right now, my behaviors, this right here. So you can either go ahead and build motion on your own, or they have pre-made motions for you, and you can pretty much manipulate them to do anything you want. I'm going to show you several different motions. So right now I'm going to try and get, how about we go for blue car first. So I click on the behavior, I come over here, here's all these different behaviors, okay? And I recommend, please in the future, go in here, play. After you do this project, go in here and play and start checking out all the different behaviors that are waiting for you. I'm going to click on Basic Motion, then I'm going to come down here to the Move tool. Select the Move tool, and that's what it's going to do. It's going to, on our screen, we're going to end up with this green red thing. So we're going to bring this over and apply it to one of our layers. We'll do it to the blue layer. You'll see how simple it is. And then this green red arrows are going to appear, and all that does is represent where that layer is going to be moving to, in this case the cars. So this is how simple it is. I now have the move. I go click, hold, drag, and I'm going to bring it directly onto the blue layer. It's going to snap right up to that playhead. You'll feel it snap right up to the playhead. And watch it, see how it matched up to the very end. Now I can change the size of it. Right now the thing is going to start moving right at the beginning with the car, and it's showing me the moving will end at the end of this 7 seconds. I can change this, and I can say, sorry, I don't want you to move for until a few seconds in, and I want you to stop moving a few seconds out. Well, I actually don't want that right now, so I'm going to say edit undo, okay? And I want it to move. Later on we are going to change this because we want to bring text in, and so we'll have the text appear and then the motion start after the get ready, the race, 3, 2, 1, go. So we're going to change this in the future, but right now let's just keep this basic, and we're going to have the car right now. There's my move tool. I select on my move tool. When I brought this move in, notice these arrows, that the green arrow, red arrow, and it appeared right here in the center of my viewer. So that's where they'll be popping up. I'm going to take my cursor, I'm going to go click, hold, drag, and this one's applied to the blue car. So I'm going to bring it down the blue road, and I'm going to bring it so that the car drives off the screen and goes to right about there. Now if I wanted one car to drive further off, you can keep dragging this up, so it means that one car is going to take longer to get across and will be behind the other car. So I'm going to hold this, I'm going to put him right there, okay? And then watch this, just so you know it does work. There it is, and that's all it does. Ta-da! So let's do the same thing for the orange car. I'm going to click on the orange car. I'm going to come up here. I'm in behaviors. I'm in basic motion. Here's the move tool. And I'm going to apply it to, sorry about that, and I'm going to apply it directly to my orange car. Now my orange has a move. And now I'm going to take the green red arrow. I'm going to bring it down here. And this one I'm going to bring even further off. There. And now let's take a look. So they should be coming down. See how the orange is slightly ahead of the blue? That's only because in how ta-da, I like it. Okay, now let's move ahead. Now that we have that, the only thing I don't like is, see how there's no perspective? Those cars should be getting bigger as they're getting closer to us. The next step, we're going to deal with that.